Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best toolboxes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Dewalt Toolbox XLTough System. When you think about durable tools and other accessories, Dewalt is one of the reputable brands. Apart from making tools, here is one of the premium boxes on the market. Made from extra strong foam structure that cuts overall weight. Moreover, the interior is well designed and insulated, hence superb for the safety of different tools. The interior has vertical tool storage, which is vital for hand tools storage smoothly. Compared to other boxes, this one is unique and exceptional. It has IP65 seals that are great for ensuring no water leaks to the interior. The side latches are superb since they allow for the stacking of several boxes. Also, the metal carrier with large wheels lets you take this box everywhere. For assured safety, the box comes with a central locking mechanism. This ensures that even when working in places with a lot of people, there is the safety of your tools. At number 4. Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. For professionals, there is a need to have all the tools and an easy way to carry them. This portable and rolling organizer box by Keter is amazing and reliable. Made from a sturdy shell, it ensures everything inside is safe. With large capacity and organized compartments, there is easy organization as well as quick retrieval. The central locking mechanism is perfect since it gives the box incredible security against unwanted access. For quick and frequently used tools access, the top has small compartments. They open independently, hence ideal for small jobs. Whether working far from the garage, there is a convenience when using this box. It comes with large wheels that can roll even on uneven spaces. Moreover, the adjustable and collapsible handle is fantastic since it offers comfortable handling. With the capacity to hold up to 65 pounds, it is capable of fitting in this box. To enable weight reduction, the casing is durable plastic which also resists damage by impacts. Unlike other toolboxes, this has a smooth opening and balancing, hence it doesn't topple. At number 3. DEKOPRO 168-piece socket wrench auto repair tool. DekoPro Tools combination package has everything you need for smooth repairs. Unlike other boxes that come without tools, this has 168 pieces. Therefore, it is ready for use in your car, garage, or other places. The tools are made from high-quality steel, which is fantastic for improving the overall durability. With a chrome finish, they are protected from rust. As a result, when working in different places, using these tools guarantees peace of mind and performance. The box comes with most of the tools needed to perform necessary repairs. With a rugged design, the toolbox is reliable for maintaining the tools safely. Actually, the casing is extra strong, which created fantastic protection for the stored tools. With a comfortable and slip-resistant handle, the box always keeps your hands comfortable. The interior has organizer design, hence ensuring every instrument is in position. At number 2. HeavyDuty Rolling Toolbox. The stalwart rolling toolbox is revolutionary and handy for demanding jobs. It's a box that every technician, mechanic, and other users need for daily jobs. Whether carrying a large number of tools, it is easy to move since it comes with caster wheels. They are designed to offer smooth rolling as well as high convenience. Built with plenty of storage room, it has 24 compartments. They are great since the user enjoys organized and easy access. This trolley features rugged polypropylene, which has high impact resistance. Unlike metal, the shell is lightweight and eliminates bulkiness, hence maximum performance. Apart from the compartments, the trolley has cable hooks. They are ideal for storing tapes, cords, and other items. For comfortable pulling, the box has an adjustable handle. It enables users to set the right height for great comfort. Due to the ample space and durable shell, the box is ideal even for demanding works. At number 1. 16-inch Toolbox stainless steel consumer storage. The ability to carry and store tools safely depends on your box. The Ganchan stainless steel storage box is one of the ultimate ways to ensure no more hassles. Boasting durable construction, the box is resistant to corrosion or rust due to moisture. As a result, even when used in extreme situations, the case is excellent for all your tools' storage needs. Apart from the metal, this box also has ABS plastic parts that guarantee great reliability and reliability. Apart from the durability, the box is large and offers ample storage capacity. With the ability to fit small, medium, and large tools, it's great for people with an array of tools. Apart from excellent protection, the box comes with the dirt-free design. This eliminates the need to keep cleaning it. Also, stainless steel lock is fantastic and keeps your tools safe. Edges are abrasion-proof, which ensures the box remains clean without suffering from scratches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.